and Wall Street is losing its mind, and Wall Street now wants to change the rules of the game because a bunch of people with accounts ranging from $500 to $2,500 are taking down the billionaires.
Charles Payne all fired up over the David versus Goliath story unfolding now in America. The whole thing has fat cat investors on edge while the average Joe is cashing in big. Christina Partsenevelos with the Fox Business is here. Christina.
It is a rebellion between Wall Street and internet traders. So you've got these smaller retail investors that often use apps like Robinhood and TD Ameritrade that are fighting big institutional investors like hedge funds that are betting stocks will fall. And you've got companies like GameStop that are caught right in the middle. So let's focus on GameStop because everyone's talking about it. Just last year alone in April, the share price was well below $3. The company has been falling over the last few years because not as many people are going into stores to buy video games. You can buy a lot of that online. Hedge funds noticed this downward trend and they decided, hey, let's short GameStop and bet the stock will fall so they can make some money. You had the retail investors, these guys that are on Reddit forums, on TikTok, these smaller players, they saw what the hedge fund guys were doing and decided, hey, let's buy GameStop to push the price up. The price went up. Even today we saw a high of $469, and all of these hedge fund guys lost money because they were betting the stock would fall. And that's exactly what happened. You saw the GameStop share price climb well over 1,200% just over the last month or so. The market cap is at $32 billion. These hedge fund guys are closing their positions, and now these smaller retail investors are getting so confident that they're moving their focus over to other stocks like AMC, like Nokia, like BlackBerry. And this is less about the fundamentals, how the companies are doing, like their cash flow, their profit margins, and more so a fight between the smaller retail investors and corporate America, Wall Street. That's what a lot of these Reddit forums are talking about at the moment, but you've got some eyebrows that are raised across the board. The SEC is looking into it. The NASDAQ chief said that they're going to be paying close attention. Biden's economic team said that they're going to be paying close attention. Even today, TD Ameritrade, which is a trading platform, did block a lot of these trades. So you have many of these smaller guys that are quite upset because all they did, according to them, is join forces and push the price of GameStop up and a lot of these other shares. And then I'll end with this. You have a lot of Wall Street veterans right now that are saying these smaller retail investors lack experience, lack diversification. So yes, they may be gaining right now, but they could get crushed the moment those stocks drop in price. But so far, a lot of them are doing quite well. Harris?
Yes, we'll follow the story. Fascinating. Christina, thank you.